Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic text correction on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then tap on System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, you need to click on Text Correction over here, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to Auto Correction. If the switcher is gray, that means that automatic text correction is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!